Alright, just gonna stop here for a bit, have a little bite to eat, and then we're gonna head over to a waterfall. This feels like it should be like an airsoft field or something. Unfortunately today the waterfall is closed. Renting a waterfall for a wedding, hell yeah. Ended up taking a bit of a detour. It's called Heaven's Gate. I think I can understand why, it's kind of dope. Oh wow, what a lovely road. Why are these barrels here? I guess I better stop my bike. Oh! Oh! That's not a fucking road! Huh, Google Maps? Fuck is this? Yeah, straight ahead my ass. Okay. Alright, well, similar to the Harjiang loop actually, we have like the cloud cover coming down. So it's like either very humid or very cold in these patches. It's weird.